Okay, I 3D printed Allison Angel from Bendy the Ink Machine, Chapter 4, and probably Chapter 5, obviously. She reminds me a little bit of Eva from Evangeline from Wakfu. I don't know why, but she kind of reminds me of that. Now I got a painter. My printer is in need of some serious adjustments. It is very rough, and I think it's just because it's the same nozzle I've had on there ever since I bought the printer, made the printer. I don't know, 4 years of printing, I guess, is a little too much for a nozzle, especially when you put some other things through it. I think that's mainly it. Also, the bearings are pretty worn and it shakes a lot, so I'm sure that's why it's kind of rough. But I'm going to try to paint it here, and that's going to be a challenge to paint this little thing when it's not very smooth.
Okay guys, we need some good ASMR music here. Are you ready for the ASMR music? We need to pay Allison! She's gonna be black all over on her back and her hair. Now I'm gonna do her hairband. Gotta do that detail work, yeah. Gonna do that hairband now. And then we're gonna do her arms. They're gonna be black too. They're gonna be all the way black down to her fingertips, yeah. We got a lot more to sing, so I better come up with some lyrics and things. Gonna keep painting her black. Black, black, black hands. Black, black on her back. Back, back, back. This is so ASMR. Do you get the vibes? The vibes, the vibes. Alright, let's hear this one.
First things first, gonna stick my finger in the light socket, yeah. Ooh, gonna stick my finger in there to see if I can glow, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, gonna stick it deep in the light socket.
And that was Imagine Dragons with Stick Your Finger in the Light Socket! Alright, we gotta do her legs. Gotta do her legs. We got more legs to do, yeah. Gotta do her legs. Gotta do her legs. Ooh, 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 yeah. Now we do her boots. Now we paint her boots. Paint them all black. Paint her stockings. Paint on her legs. And I gotta speed this video up because it's getting to be too long. And I don't know what to sing. No, I don't know anything. So, my channel will now be only cringy songs from here on out. Yes, guys, make sure you like and subscribe for more 3D prints and more very ASMR music that I deliver to you on the spot with no thought whatsoever, because I know how much people love that improv of my songs. All right, almost done here. We need to speed it up and get done with this. Oh, by the way, this 3D print was done like in October of 2018, and now what is it? I almost lost the video because I was like, I'll never put this out. I've got so many videos I just never will probably ever put out because I have to actually make a video, which I don't really enjoy doing the edits or any of that stuff. That's not really what I like to do. I like to make stuff, but I hate to make videos of the stuff I make. So, how is it that I am still doing YouTube after all these years? I don't know. I really don't. Why was I painting her face that color? I don't even know. Yeah, it would have been nice to have had the a good color. Oh, and then I had to paint gold buckles. It doesn't hardly look gold, but it is gold. And the detail of her eyes was really tricky. I don't do good detail work, as you can see. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, so I might make more. I have Beast Bendy 2 that I printed and his throne. I don't think I ever really made a video of them being printed. So maybe I'll put that together, if it doesn't take me too long. Which this one took me too long. And now I am just about done. Goodbye, everybody. It's been nice knowing you.